I thank AOS and ARC for giving me this opportunity to present my innovation. So I'll be presenting 90D lens holder. COVID-19 had led to the lot of new practices like temperature screening, hand sanitization, and the usage of masks. All these new normal helps in the prevention of spread of COVID-19 infection. The mask not only prevents the spread of these microorganisms when we breathe out, but even if some microorganism escapes our mask, it also prevents the entry of these microorganisms into other patients' nose and mouth. So masks are the first and the strongest line of defense against COVID-19 infection. So all our patient comes to us with a mask. But there's always a small gap between the mask and the nose of the patient superior. So when the patient breathes out, the hot breath escapes via this gap superiorly. And when it comes in contact with the glass surface, it causes fogging of this glass surface. Here you can see when we are examining the patient with a 90 diopter lens, the posterior surface of the lens gets fogged with the hot breath of the patient, thereby totally hindering our view of the fundus. However expert we are in diagnosing all these fundus pathology, when our view is blocked, we tend to miss a lot of findings, leading to a lot of disaster. We wanted to handle this problem, so we designed and 3D printed a 90D lens holder. It consists of a stick-like holder and a case to fit the 90 diopter lens. And it prevents the 90 diopter lens from coming into contact with the fog, thereby fogging of this 90 diopter lens. This video shows how you can easily slide the 90 diopter lens into the case and close the anterior surface of it. And you can also tilt the 90 diopter lens in any direction using the holder. We also have the provision to insert a small cover slip, which we use in microbiology to prevent complete contact of the breath to the 90 diopter lens. This video shows the comparison between a normal 90 diopter lens and one inserted into a holder. A normal lens, there's always a fogging of the lens when it comes in contact with the breath of the patient. But once we use a holder, it completely prevents the contact of the breath of the holder, giving us a clear view of the fundus as there is no fogging. So we thought, why can't we use a do-it-yourself model as everyone can't 3D print it? So after much search, we found that the cap of the Dettol is of the same dimensions of the 90 diopter lens. So the 90 diopter lens can be easily fit into the cap of the Dettol. All we have to do is support the 90 diopter lens posteriorly and we can insert it into the cap. And it is ready to use. And it's snugly fitted. Even if you're going to tap it on a table, it doesn't come out. And it also never blocks your view of the fundus. You can see it gives very good view. And for removing the 90 diopter lens, all we have to do is with a cotton cloth, just push it from the bottom surface and it comes out. You don't need a glue or double-sided cellophane tape to fit it. Just you have to insert it and you can take it away. It just looks like the Dettol cap is custom made for 90 diopter lens. So we started using this and we had a survey among all our doctors to find the usefulness of this 90 diopter lens holder. 62% of the doctor were of the opinion that it prevents total fogging of the lens, and 37% of the doctors said that it prevents fogging sometimes. None of them said it doesn't prevent fogging. 75% of the doctor were of the opinion that it gives a very good clear view of the fundus, and 50% prevents the reflections from the lid and lashes. 50% of the doctors said that no learning curve is needed, and 50% said that a minimal learning curve is needed before you start using the 90 diopter lens. None of them said that it is difficult to use. When asked about other advantages, 87% of the people said that it prevents touching of the mask or the patient while examining the patient. And 93% of the doctors said that it protects the costly 90 diopter lens from fall and fingerprint, thereby making the 90 diopter lens holder an ideal device even after COVID passes. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rajesh, for a very interesting presentation. The survey was for the lens holder or for the Dettol cap?
Excellent.
It was for the Dettol cap, sir.
Dettol. Very nice.
Very interesting. Dr. Khunger, any comments to make?
Yeah, I just like to highlight one thing, that though it's a very good thing that he has come out with a very innovative thing, but the point is that he basically, with the holder and he has a handheld tube that is holding this thing holder. Is it really focusing well with the handheld tube that he's having? One point is this. And second is that as far as fogging is concerned, what we are practicing at our center is that in all the patients, we are putting a micropore over the mask. So that takes care of this particular problem, because the patient has to go to visual field analyzer and patient has to go to other equipments. So once you have that micropore tape, that takes care of the fog. And third point that I like to highlight is that it is the virus part. The virus does, putting it in the case, if the breath is coming, does it take care of the virus? I don't think so, because if the virus is coming and coming in contact of the posterior surface of the lens, so that needs to be cleaned anyway again and again. And that will definitely create a problem in the polish of the lens.
So, as you said, there's a small learning curve concern when we are going to use the 90 diopter lens with the holder, the 3D printed ones. So, initially, some learning curve is needed, but for the Dettol cap, no learning curve is needed. Any tilt can be done. For the first one, there is some learning curve which has to be done. So once they learn, it will take 2-3 days for them to learn to tilt the 90 diopter lens. After that, they are able to use it very conveniently. And the second question is, for complete prevention of the breath from coming into contact with the posterior surface of the lens. So initially we designed it in two models. One is we use a cover slip, which we use in microbiology for KOH mount. So that prevents complete touching of the 90 diopter lens with the breath. So another option is we also tried it with thin wraps. So if you properly put the thin wrap for either over the 90 diopter lens holder, which is 3D printed, or the Dettol cap, it also prevents it and without hindering the visual acuity. But the only thing is it should be properly placed. And with the cover slip, no placement is needed. And even if you want to clean it, you can clean it over the thin wrap, or you can clean it over the cover slip. And it can be thrown away at the end of the day, and you can use a new one the next day. And the last one, initially we also thought, why don't we use a micropore for all the patients with the mask? But the only problem we faced was one person has to be next to the patient, and the patient can't apply it for themselves. So we have to apply it for the patient. When we are applying for the patient, that person does a lot of contact with the mask and they are very near the patient. And also, many patients try to remove their mask. Within 1 hour, they try to remove and put it again like 10 to 15 times. Even a study has said that they remove and put it again. And if the patient drops that micropore somewhere in the floor, then it becomes a large problem for us to clean it. So when we are seeing a very small volume like 50 to 100 patients, then it is possible. But when you're seeing a huge volume like 400, 500, then it is very difficult. It becomes even very difficult for cleaning it. And the patient also removes the micropore again and again.
Thank you, Dr. Rajesh. I think it's a very interesting innovation. I know it for a fact that Woke has a lens attachment to its Woke lens, which is $50. So I'll surely, before ordering, I'll surely try your Dettol cap if nothing else.